Many people want to speak English, but the words escape when they need them. But when you listen to stories, your brain learns naturally and starts thinking in English step by step. Today's story takes you into a snowy town full of lights and quiet secrets. And in that town, a green creature is planning to steal Christmas. If you like stories like this, a small subscribe will keep more adventures coming. The night was cold, quiet, and full of hidden energy. Snow fell slowly, like the sky was breathing softly. Every house in Whoville was covered in warm glowing lights. The smell of cookies and hot chocolate filled the air. And far away on the mountain, the Grinch opened his eyes with a sneaky smile. He stretched his long green arms with lazy excitement. His heart felt small, tight, and colder than the snow outside. He whispered to himself, "Tonight is the night," in a quiet, serious tone. The moonlight touched his face and made him look extra dramatic. He grabbed his old Santa costume from a dusty corner. The Grinch put on the costume and checked himself in a broken mirror. The mirror shook a little, as if it was not happy with what it saw. The Grinch lifted one eyebrow like he was the star of a movie. His dog Max watched him silently with tired eyes. Max already knew the plan, and he did not like it at all. The Grinch tied a tiny reindeer horn on Max's head. Max sighed deeply like he wanted a different life. The sleigh made a loud creak when the Grinch sat on it. The cold wind touched his face like a warning. He ignored it because he always ignored good advice. The sleigh slid down the mountain fast and dangerously. Max ran with all his energy, thinking only about survival. The stars above watched the chaos from a safe distance. Whoville appeared slowly, quiet and peaceful. The Grinch smiled like someone ready to cause trouble. He stopped at the first house and rubbed his hands together. The chimney looked small, but the Grinch believed he could fit. He squeezed himself down the chimney with strange confidence. He landed inside with a soft thump on the carpet. The Christmas tree shined brightly, as if asking for help. The Grinch walked around the room with loud steps. He pulled the stockings off the wall and threw them into a big bag. The ornaments on the tree shook like nervous little toys. The cookies on the table looked warm and perfect. The Grinch ate one and whispered, "Not bad." He went to the next house and repeated the same plan. The bag became heavier with every new gift he stole. Max followed him slowly with sad and confused eyes. The village grew darker as decorations disappeared. The Grinch felt proud of himself and a little tired. But when he reached the end of the town, he stopped suddenly. The night was quiet again, but in a different way. The Who's started singing softly, even without their gifts. The song floated through the cold air like warm light. The Grinch felt a strange, heavy feeling in his chest. His heart started to ache softly, like something inside was waking up. He looked at Max and saw kindness in his eyes. Max tilted his head, almost asking the Grinch to stop. The Grinch took a deep breath, trying to understand the feeling. Something inside him said, "Go back." He turned the sleigh around and returned to Whoville. He gave back every gift, every decoration, every piece of joy. The Who's welcomed him with open hearts. The Grinch felt warm inside for the first time in a long time. And that night, Christmas in Whoville became brighter than ever before. If you enjoyed this story, leave a comment and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe to support more simple and fun stories.